Welcome to our channel, everyone. Today we bring you a fun treat, top 5 apps that allow you to earn money without any investment. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money right from the comfort of your home. We'll be covering a diverse range of apps, some of which you may already be familiar with, while others might be new discoveries. These apps are an excellent way to earn a little extra on the side with no startup costs. So, let's get started. The first app on our list is Swagbucks. This versatile app is a goldmine for those who want to earn money without leaving the comfort of their homes. With Swagbucks you can earn points, known as SB, by completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and even doing your online shopping. What makes Swagbucks stand out is its variety. The tasks are diverse, so you can choose what suits you best. If you are a movie buff, you can earn SB by watching videos. If you love sharing your opinion, you can earn SB by filling out surveys. And if you're an avid shopper, Swagbucks can be your best companion. When you shop from their partner stores, you earn SB. Isn't that fantastic? But that's not all. Swagbucks also hosts daily polls and trivia games, where you can earn additional SB. You can even earn SB by searching the web through their search engine. It's like getting paid for doing what you already do on the internet every day. Once you've accumulated enough SB, you can redeem them for gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, or if you prefer, you can opt for cash via PayPal. But remember, patience is the key. You won't become a millionaire overnight with Swagbucks, but with consistent effort and smart strategies, you can certainly earn a decent amount of pocket money. Also, Swagbucks takes your privacy seriously. Your personal data is safe, and is used only to match you with relevant surveys, so you can earn money without compromising your privacy. Swagbucks is not just a money-making app, but it's also a fun and engaging platform. It's like a game where you complete tasks, earn points, and then exchange them for rewards. It's user-friendly and offers various payout options, making it a good option for beginners. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to earn some extra cash, Swagbucks might just be the perfect app for you. Next up is Google Opinion Rewards. This is an app that allows you to earn rewards for sharing your opinion on a variety of topics. It's like your personal opinion factory, and the best part? You get paid for it. Google Opinion Rewards works by sending you surveys based on your interests and demographics. These surveys could be about anything from your shopping habits to your thoughts on a recent movie release. You never know what you might be asked, which makes every survey a little adventure. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not an expert on anything. How can I get these surveys? Well, the beauty of Google Opinion Rewards is that you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be you. The surveys are designed for everyday people, not professionals. So, whether you're a student, a homemaker, a business professional, or a retiree, there's a place for you in the Google Opinion Rewards community. The process is simple. You download the app, set up your profile, and wait for the surveys to come in. Each survey takes just a few minutes to complete, and once you're done, you get rewarded. The rewards are in the form of Google Play credits, which you can use to purchase apps, movies, books, and more in the Google Play Store. It's like getting a little thank you gift from Google every time you share your opinion. But that's not all. Google Opinion Rewards also offers location-based surveys. So, if you visit a specific place like a restaurant or a store, you might get a survey about your experience there. This is a great way to make your everyday activities more rewarding. In summary, Google Opinion Rewards is a simple, fun, and rewarding way to share your opinion. You don't need any special skills or knowledge. All you need is your unique perspective and a few minutes of your time. It's very easy to use, and the rewards can be used to purchase apps, movies, books, etc. on the Google Play Store. So why not give it a try? Your opinion is valuable, and Google Opinion Rewards is ready to reward you for it. If you're a photography enthusiast, Foap is for you. This unique platform allows you to turn your passion for photography into a steady stream of income. How, you ask? Well, it's simple. Foap allows you to sell your photos to brands and individuals who need them for commercial use. Now let's delve a little deeper into what Foap is and how it works. Foap is a mobile app that connects photographers with potential buyers. It's a marketplace for user-generated photos. The best part, it's not just for professional photographers. Anyone with a smartphone and a keen eye for capturing beautiful moments can use Foap. You simply upload your photos onto the Foap platform. Once your photos are on their marketplace, they are available for millions of potential buyers to see and purchase. Each photo can be sold multiple times, meaning one good shot can earn you a steady income. The price per photo is set by Foap, and you get 50% of the revenue each time your photo is sold. But that's not all. Foap also runs missions, which are essentially photo contests. Brands or advertising agencies will put up a brief for a specific type of photo they need, and the Foap community will respond by submitting their best shots. If your photo is chosen, you can win hundreds of dollars. What sets Foap apart is that it allows you to monetize your passion without any initial investment. There's no need for expensive camera equipment or a photography degree. All you need is your creativity and a smartphone. So, if you've got an eye for capturing moments, or if you just love taking photos, Foap is a great way to earn some extra cash. Whether you're waiting for a bus or out exploring nature, every moment could be a potential photo opportunity. Remember, the key is to take unique and high-quality photos that will stand out in the marketplace. So, get snapping. And who knows, your next photo could be your ticket to making money. There's no cost involved, just your creativity and a smartphone. TaskBucks is another fantastic app that allows you to earn money by doing small tasks. This dynamic app takes a simple approach to earning, offering various tasks to its users. These tasks are as simple as downloading new apps, filling out surveys, or even referring friends to use TaskBucks. In a world where every second counts, TaskBucks ensures that your time is well spent. It offers an exciting range of tasks that not only engage you but also reward you for your time and effort. The beauty of TaskBucks lies in its simplicity. You don't need any special skills or qualifications to start earning. All you need is your smartphone, a bit of free time, and a willingness to try something new. TaskBucks works on a point system. Each task you complete earns you a certain number of points, which you can then convert into real money. The more tasks you complete, the more points you earn and the more money you make. It's as straightforward as that. One of the key benefits of TaskBucks is its low payout threshold. Unlike other apps that require a substantial amount of earnings before you can withdraw, TaskBucks allows you to cash out with a relatively small amount. This makes it easier for users to see the fruits of their labor and stay motivated to continue earning. But that's not all. TaskBucks also offers daily contests where you can win additional points, making your earning potential even greater. It's a fun and engaging way to make a bit of extra cash right from the comfort of your home. TaskBucks is not just about earning money. It's about making the most of your free time, learning new things, and having fun while doing it. It's an app that's designed to reward you for your time and effort, making it a worthwhile addition to your daily routine. With a low payout threshold, you can easily withdraw your earnings. So why wait? Give TaskBucks a try and start earning today. Finally, we have Toluna. Toluna is an app that presents you with paid surveys, product testing opportunities, and chances to win big prizes. It's a great platform that values your opinion and rewards you for it. With Toluna, you can participate in surveys on a wide range of topics, test products before they hit the market, and enter sweepstakes for a chance to win exciting prizes. The app is easy to use and the surveys are not overly long or complex, making it a great option for those who want to earn a little extra in their spare time. The rewards from Toluna can be redeemed for cash or gift cards, allowing you to choose a payout method that suits you best. In a nutshell, Toluna is a convenient way to make your voice heard and get rewarded for it. It's a straightforward way to earn a little extra money without any expense. And there you have it, friends. Our top 5 money-earning apps that require no investment. We've explored Swagbucks, Google Opinion Rewards, Foap, TaskBucks, and Toluna, each offering unique ways to earn some extra cash right from your home. Remember, while these apps can help you make a little extra, they aren't a magic bullet for instant wealth. Consistency and dedication are key. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more enjoyable content. Thanks for watching and happy earning.